A January launch for the Galaxy S24 series is looking more and more likely as the weeks go by. Rumors of an earlier-than-usual arrival of Samsung's next flagship have been circulating for a while, and a well-known tipster from China has added more fuel to the fire. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Samsung has reportedly started production and will unveil the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra sometime in mid to late January. However, our sources tell us the launch could take place in early to mid-January, though things could go either way. A launch in January isn't anything to be surprised about. Samsung regularly shuffles things around as far as its Galaxy Unpacked schedule is concerned. For example, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S23 were announced on February 9 and February 1 respectively in 2022 and 2023, while the Galaxy S21 Unpacked event took place on January 14. Samsung is also looking at holding Unpacked events in a different country each year instead of defaulting to the US, which is why it held the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 unveiling in Korea. But it remains to be seen if the company will stick to that plan, as it only resumed in-person events this year after sticking to virtual events because of the COVID pandemic from 2020 to 2022. There is a lot of anticipation for the Galaxy S24 series. Fans are waiting to see if Samsung can recreate the magic and build on what made the Galaxy S23 lineup one of its best ever. With Exynos making a comeback next year, there is some skepticism, though we will reserve judgment for when the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra go official, and we have had some hands-on time with the devices. What are the potential benefits and drawbacks of a January launch for the Galaxy S24 series? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in next one. Peace out.